Namaste. In this video, we are going to solve this problem here given x and y not equal to 0 and divided by 1 plus x plus y divided by 1 plus y is equal to x plus y divided by 1 plus x plus y. Then find the value of x plus y. So let here this x plus y is any variable a. And given equation is this one. I'm writing as it is x upon 1 plus x plus y upon 1 plus y is equal to x plus y divided by 1 plus x plus y. We can solve this left hand side um, just like fraction. So here we have to make same denominator and here least common multiple of x 1 plus x plus 1 plus y is 1 plus x multiply 1 plus y. Here multiply 1 plus y, so we write like this, and here x multiply 1 plus y. Here multiply 1 plus x, so 1 plus x right here, and this y multiply 1 plus x is equal to x plus y 1 plus x plus y. We can simplify here numerator and denominator. So this is x plus xy plus y multiply x. So yx, or we can write xy. 1 multiply 1 1, 1 multiply by y, or actually x multiply right first, okay, and then y, and xy multiply, so xy, and this is x plus y divided by 1 plus x plus y. Here we let x plus y is equal to a, so we can substitute here x plus y is a and xy plus xy 2xy. Okay, 1 x plus y we can write a, and this is xy. Here this is a, and this 1 x plus y is a. Okay, now cross multiply, so this one multiply with this, a plus 2xy multiply 1 plus a, and this a multiply with this, so a multiply 1 plus a plus xy. A multiply 1 a multiply a square, 2xy multiply 1 2xy plus 2xy multiply a, so 2xy a multiply 1 a multiply a square, and a multiply xy xy a. Okay, here a and here a, so cancel out, means both sides subtract a square cancel out, it means both sides subtract a square. So 2xy plus 2xya is equal to xya. Okay, this one transfer this side, so it will be negative, and this one transfer this side, so it will be negative. So 2xya minus xya is xya, 2 minus 1 1, and this is transfer this side, so minus 2xy. Both side divide by xy. Okay, so cancel out. So just a is equal to -2. And what is a? A was x plus y. And we have to find out x plus y. So x plus y is equal to -2, and this is our answer. So very simple question, but if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.